All right, so this is an iPhone 15 and a 15 Plus and a 15 Pro and a 15 Pro Max. Every new phone in the lineup, new colors, new materials, new ports. There's some good stuff to unbox here, so let's do it. So starting with iPhone 15 and 15 Plus. This iPhone 15 here is the new blue color, and it is, I'm just gonna go ahead and rename this color to Barely Blue. I think that's an appropriate name because it really is barely giving hints of blue. You can really see it on the side rails too, but yeah, really subtle colors across the board this year. Anyway, the other things in the box are the paperwork, the single white Apple sticker, and there is no SIM card ejector tool here since they're all eSIM, at least in the US now. But most importantly, the new cable in the iPhone box for all new iPhones is a single white braided USB-C to USB-C cable. I think this is the first time the iPhone is shipping with a braided nice cable like this, so hopefully it'll be a higher quality and more durable than old cables we've been getting for years. So cool, USB-C cable, USB-C phone. Now if we take a look at the Plus, same idea, bigger box, but this new incredibly pale yellow. I mean, again, in perfect lighting at the Apple event, I think it looked a little bit more colorful, but it just looks extremely pale out here. And then we've got the Pro boxes for the Pro phones as well. Still white boxes, but dark wallpapers. So the iPhone 15 Pro I have here is the new dark blue color. I almost want to call this one Barely Blue again, but this time it's darker and kind of borders on gray when the light hits it from certain angles. Very safe. Same stuff in the box after that though. The paperwork, the white Apple sticker, and the new braided USB-C cable. And then our iPhone 15 Pro Max here is the new natural titanium color. And I gotta say, guys, I think this is gonna be the one to get. It's the best color in person in the hand. I'll talk more about why in a minute, but there you have it. This slightly new unboxing experience on iPhone 15s and 15 Pros.